How to find new message request settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find new message request settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click here on your profile, and now click the three lines, and here you will find settings, and then just click privacy and click messages here. Now here you can manage it, allow new message requests, and you can make it from everyone or just from only people you follow, and that's it. Just manage it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.